Hello friends! Today we will learn how to install Office 2024 in an easy and simple way, and we will activate it without the need for a crack or patch. The process will be completely clean and free of viruses. Just follow the instructions and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, as we have more to offer. You will start by going to this link. I will leave all the links below the video. Then go to the download option and click on it. After the download is complete, place the file on your desktop and click on it to start the installation. Next, create a new folder on your desktop and name it whatever you like. Select from here, and you will see Operation Successful. Now, open the folder that was created. You will find the setup file and other files. Delete all other files and keep only the setup file. After closing this folder, return to the browser and go to the second site. Scroll down and copy this code or click on Copy from here. Then, on your desktop, create a new text file. Open it and paste the code into it. Next, delete this part of the code. Pay close attention to remove only this part. Then click Delete and remove any spaces. After that, return to the site, scroll down a little, and you will find this serial number. Copy it and return to the file you created, and paste the serial number here. Make sure these markers are present and you can change the language as you wish. Now go to File and then Save as Administrator. Enter a name for the file followed by .xml. Choose the folder and save it. Next, go to the search box and type CMD, then click on Run as Administrator. Open the folder you created earlier, then click on the search box at the top and copy the code. Type CD, leave a space, paste the code, and press Enter on the keyboard. Now, go back to the site again and scroll up a bit. You will find this code. Copy it and return to the CMD screen and paste the code there. Delete this part as you will see now. I will delete it and enter the file name that I will show you now. Type the file name followed by .xml, don't forget this extension, then press Enter. After finishing the typing, make sure the name matches. The program will now begin the installation as you will see. Wait here until this stage is complete depending on your internet speed. After it is done, a message will appear indicating that the installation is complete. Click on the Close option. Now it's time for activation. Go to My Computer, then C Drive, and look for the Microsoft Office option, then click on Office 16. You will find these files. Click at the top for search, then copy this path. Return to CMD, type CD, leave a space, paste the path, and press Enter. You will also need these codes, which I will provide. Open the text file, take the first code, copy it, paste it here, and press Enter. Wait until it completes, then take the second code, paste it here, and press Enter on the keyboard. Wait until this process finishes. It will take only a few seconds and it's done. As you can see, the product has been activated successfully. Now, close everything. You won't need anything else. All the links will be found below this video. If you search and type Excel and open the program, you will see that it has been activated. Click here, and if you go to My Account, you will find that the product is indeed activated. And that's how Microsoft Office is activated easily with simple steps and without cracks or patches and in a very clean way. That was today's tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to receive the latest updates. Thank you and goodbye.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super helpful topic for anyone with a Samsung device running Android 11, 12, 13, or 14. We're going to be talking about a new, completely free tool that can help you bypass the dreaded FRP lock, that's factory reset protection, and remove your Gmail account from your device. So, stick around, because we're going to walk you through the entire process step by step. We'll show you exactly how to use this tool to get your device back up and running. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more tech tips and tricks. Let's get started. And there you have it. We successfully bypassed the FRP lock and removed the Gmail account using this amazing free tool. Remember, this method is for educational purposes only. Always make sure you have the necessary permissions before attempting to unlock any device. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might be facing the same issue. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.